Hello! Good day, everyone! I am Catherine Aurora May VR Chico from Grade 11 STEM Aristotle 2021-2022. Welcome to my YouTube channel! This is your Matyagang Estudyante! Welcome back, and you're still watching to Matyagang Estudyante. So for today's lesson, I will discuss the definition and equation of a circle. Without further ado, let's get started. Let us define what is circle. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are a fixed distance from a given point. The given point is called the center. The fixed distance between the center and the points are called radius. This is the representation of a circle. This is the center and this is the radius. In geometry, this is the representation of a circle. To be able to find the equation of a circle, we need to name some things. Let us name the center as C with H and K as its coordinates, and let us also name any point in the circle as P with X and Y as its coordinates. Let us also include the radius by small letter r. Since we already have the coordinates of C and P, we can now find the distance between C and P. To be able to find the distance between C and P, we can use the distance formula. The distance formula can be written as D is equals to square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. In the distance formula, the D represents the distance while x sub 1 and y sub 1 represents the coordinates of the first point. And the x sub 2 and y sub 2 represents the coordinates of the second point. To find the equation of a circle, first, replace the D by R. And we will get R is equals to square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Second, substitute the coordinates to the formula. R is equals to square root of x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. Third, square both sides. To be able to get rid the radical sign, we can square both sides of the equation. After squaring both sides, we will get r squared is equals to x minus h squared plus y minus k squared. We can also write it as x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. This is the center radius form of the equation of a circle. It is also called as the standard form of a circle. Since we already know the standard form of a circle, let us try to find the standard equation of the given condition. Example number 1. Center at the origin, radius is equal to 3. Since the center is the origin, the values of h and k is equivalent to 0, and the value of radius is 3. Substitute the given values to the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. And we will get x minus 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared is equals to 3 squared. Solving this, we will get x squared plus y squared is equals to 9. This is the equation of a circle with origin as its center. Okay, next example. Center is equivalent to negative 5, 4. Radius is equivalent to square root of 7. Since the center is negative 5, 4, the value of h is negative 5, and the value of k is 4. The value of radius is square root of 7. Okay, so we need to square the radius. Squaring this, we will get 7. Substitute the given values to the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. We will get x plus 5 squared plus y minus 4 squared is equals to 7. And that is the final answer. And that's all for today. I hope you learned something from me. Again, this is your Matyagang Estudyante. Thank you for watching and goodbye!